The Nobel Prize Museum is located in the former Stock Exchange building in the Gamla Stan district of Stockholm, Sweden. It opened in 2001 to commemorate the centenary of the Nobel Prize. The museum tells the story of the Nobel Prizes from their inception to the present day. It also highlights the work of the Nobel laureates and the impact that their work has had on the world. Ticket prices: adult 180 Swedish kronor, child 7 to 1590 Swedish kronor, student 120 Swedish kronor. Family ticket, 2 adults, 2 children, 450 Swedish kronor. Opening hours: Monday through Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Guided tours. The Nobel Prize Museum offers a variety of guided tours in English, Swedish, and other languages. Tours are offered daily at 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m. Members of the Stockholm Pass receive free admission to the museum. Holders of the Stockholm Plus card receive a 25% discount on admission to the museum. Allow at least 2 to 3 hours to visit the museum. Wear comfortable shoes as there is a lot of walking to be done. Be sure to visit the Nobel Prize shop for unique souvenirs. If our videos add value to your travels, show some love by liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and staying tuned for more. Before you leave, check out this captivating video.